Nageshwari's kitchen. Today we are going to be making potato cheese rolls. So let's start.
I've taken around half a kilo of potatoes, 3 medium sized potatoes. I boiled with some salt. Mash it, or you can even grate it as well. I'm going to use my fork to mash these potatoes. So we mashed potatoes, okay, with the fork. Now we are going to add spices. Yeah. What is this?
Pepper.
Huh?
Pepper.
What is this?
This is pepper.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Add. This is half a teaspoon of pepper powder, freshly ground pepper powder. Next,
we're going to add some chili flakes. Some chili flakes.
Yes, I know you don't like chili flakes, but but it's going to be tasty.
Okay.
Add just half a teaspoon of chili flakes. You can adjust it according to your
spicy level.
Yes.
So next we're going to add some salt and get only a little bit.
Because we already added salt when we
boiled the potato.
Yes, very good. Add it. And we are going to stuff in cheese as well.
I like cheese. I like cheese.
Yeah. Mix it.
Okay, my favorite part.
This is around 3 tablespoons of plain flour. I'm not going to dip in the egg, so I'm going to use plain flour. Just mix it with some little bit of water. Make it into a thin paste. Just add a little bit of salt to this. Mix it like that. Yeah, that's the consistency. There should not be any lumps, okay?
Okay.
So it's a pouring consistency. This is ready, and we have some breadcrumbs here.
Breadcrumbs.
You can choose any breadcrumbs. This is multi-grain breadcrumbs, so you can choose whatever you like to have.
Is breadcrumbs from bread?
And I have taken some mozzarella cheese, so I'm going to cut them into cubes.
I like mozzarella cheese.
Now I'm going to cut the cheese. You can choose what shape you like to have, okay?
Squares are flat, cubes are 3D.
Okay. Take a potato ball, flat it.
Take a cheese.
Cheese, just put it in, cover it.
Make sure to cover it fully, like my mom did.
Roll it into this mix.
Flour mix.
Flour mix, yeah. Now, dip it in
breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Hey.
Cover it with breadcrumbs.
Okay. Now
I want oval shape. You can choose what shape you like to have. See, this is like an egg, isn't it?
Yeah. A breadcrumb egg.
Yeah. Now I'm going to insert in a skewer.
Carefully.
Yes.
Looks like an egg that's gonna break in half.
It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now we do the same for all of them.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's see. So my mom's doing another one.
Yeah, I'll show you another one.
Take cheese.
Cheese inside.
Cover it
Cover it.
fully. Like I mentioned last time on that one.
Roll it nicely. And then dip it into the flour mix.
Yeah.
Cover it with breadcrumbs. Just press it and make the shape what shape you like to have. I'm making like a egg shape or like a tulip shape.
Like that one.
And then insert in a skewers.
Not skewers, skewer.
Skewer.
And 2 little eggs in a skewer.
The shaping part is done. You can even make like a lollipop size, the round size. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge for 10 minutes, then we will start fry because it's too soft. Just keep it for 10 minutes, that's more than enough. Meanwhile, add some oil in the pan to deep fry. I just took out from the fridge. Let's start frying all the stuff. Add slowly into the oil. Do not overload. Cook this on a medium flame. Make sure the flame is on medium, otherwise it will burn quickly on the outside. The potato is already cooked, so we are not going to cook for a long time, just like 3 minutes. Turn to the other side. You can prepare this for a party. For starter, it will be great. Kids will love it. I just added a little bit of chili flakes. You can skip that if your kids don't like to eat chilies. If you don't want to use plain flour mix, you can use egg instead of that. This is almost done. Just one more minute. What?
10 minutes is already up.
Yeah. You're watching TV, so I started to fry. I don't want to disturb you. It's almost ready, light, yeah?
I want one now.
It's too hot. You have to wait.
Oh,
And you have to stay away from oil, please. Yeah, the shape also it's nice. It's like a egg. The cheese will not come out because we coated with the flour and breadcrumbs. Serve it with some sauce, tomato sauce. This is ready. Looking great, golden in color. Let's transfer this into a serving plate. Let's do the second batch. It takes only 3 minutes to cook. And remember to keep the flame on medium. Outside will be crunchy and inside is soft, and it will melt with cheese. Great evening snack. Party appetizer, you can use as party starter. Who don't like cheese and potato? So this is a great combo. Crispy potato cheese rolls are ready. Serve it with some tomato sauce or chili sauce. How is it, Laithya?
Good.
Really?
Yeah.
You like it? What's the best part? Why are you eating like that?
It's hot.
Hot?
The best part is the crumbs.
Crumbs and the cheese. She finished all the cheese. Look at this. It's looking great. And the cheese, it didn't come out. So crispy outside. I'll break and show you one. Look at the cheese. Wow.
That looks so cheesy.
Cheesy,
You
yes.
made that one, isn't it?
Yeah. I just wanted to show you the update of my rose cuttings that I kept like few weeks back. It's growing now. And I got some more growing inside as well. The root is not started yet. So I'm going to wait few more weeks until I get the root. Then I will plant this in the pot. You can even plant now, but I prefer to have the roots in the water itself, then I will plant it. And I'll show you. This is money plant cutting. I got these cuttings from my friend Petula. She gave me the cuttings. I just trimmed into 2 pieces and I kept in the vase. This is like nearly 2 months now. I got more roots. To this plant, you have to add just 1 tablespoon of potting mix and some water. That's all you have to do, and keep adding cold water once it's getting reduced. This will grow nicely. I have other plant I will show you. It's still in the water and it will grow nicely. I have one more plant. It's still in the water. Can you see? It's still in the water. I'm just keep adding water every time once the water level is getting low, and it's growing nicely. I'm happy to keep it in the water itself. Maybe after 2 months or 3 months I will change this into a big pot. This pot is I didn't add any potting mix, but still it's growing, but the growth is really slow, very slow. If you want fast growth, you have to add little bit of potting mix in the water, then it will grow nicely. This is only 2 months now and it's growing nicely. I added some potting mix inside the water, and the roots are more roots and it's growing nicely. Only thing you have to keep near the window, and it's growing nicely.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
So you're going to be in the next video?
Yes.
Why you keep coming into Nageshwari's Kitchen, Laithya?
Because
This is my channel.
no, this is my channel.
Your channel?
Yeah.
You're not Nageshwari.
I am.
Hmm?
I am.
You. So you're going to change your name?
No, I'm Nageshwari, but my name is Raisa.
Okay. Okay. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.